Just after 4:40 this morning, there's a call on the radio. Peg number 6, the Italian team. Everybody's rushed down here. Great news. There's a carp being caught. And look at this fantastic carp. A stunning, long, golden carp. And apparently there was a screaming run.
Yeah,
what happened?
We wake up from a screaming run. It was a really strong and powerful run, and a strong and powerful fish. Beautiful fish, really golden and powerful.
And were there any tactics to catch this?
One pop-up boilies, spicy and crab with the cinnamon, and PVA bags with gutted boilies inside, and throw it 20 boilies with cobra.
Excellent. So it's teamwork. So
Yes.
somebody's cast it, and I understand somebody caught it. So
Yes.
that's true Italian teamwork.
Yes.
So great. Well done,
Absolutely.
guys. Excellent. Well, let's get this beautiful fish back in the water, and let's see it go away. And congratulations, Team Italy.